Hello guys and welcome to Robot Squad. So today we will be discussing about something known as a QR code. So a QR code is a quick response code which looks something like this with random symbols and square inside a square box. You might have probably seen this if you have gone shopping outside and tried paying by scanning a GPay QR code. So today in this video we are going to be discussing about how to go about creating your own QR code and also reading a QR code from a saved file. So let's get started. So first we are going to open our VS Code here, and now we are going to click on new file. I am going to name this as qrc.py, and now I am going to import web browser. Also I am going to import CV2 and we are going to import PyQR code. So but before doing this, we need to make sure we pip install PyQR code, and then we need to pip install PyPNG, and then we need to pip install OpenCV Python. So now we are ready to go. First we are going to define a function readQR. In this we are going to take in our values as file path. We are going to open it, img equal to cv2.imread file path, and then we are going to detector equal to cv2.qr code detector. Sorry, I need to remove this. So this is a class, so we don't need to pass in any arguments over here. And now we need to give data comma bbox comma c equal to detector dot detect and decode img. And now we need to print data is dot format data. So now we are going to ask for an input a equal to, but before this we are going to check whether the data is a URL. To do that we are going to check whether if http and in data y_en equal to input. The data is a URL. Would you like to open it? So now we are going to check whether the user has entered a y. If y_n equal to y, then we are going to open the web browser dot open data. We are going to take the input from the user, d equal to input, press R to read QR, C to create new. currently we did not create a new QR code function. So for now I'm going to create a if block for D equal to R. Then read FP equal to input full path to file, and we are going to send the data to read QR FP. Now let's run this. So R to read robot squad. I have a QR code already over here, as you can see. So I'm going to open it using our newly created app. This has to be small d, and now it should work. R robot squad tech, and now it has successfully read it. Let's open it. Why? So as we can see, it's opened up our robot squad wordpress.com. Please do visit our website. It has a lot of new blogs about all the different things we have planned a video for. Please do visit it. So now we are going to create a new function to create a QR. Def create QR equal to scale, and then we need the data. That's it. So now we are going to import, we are going to take C equal to, okay, instead of import PyQR code, we can do from PyQR code import QR code, QRC equal to QR code data, and we can do QRC. But before this, we need to ask the user whether he wants to show equal to true by default, and save equal to false by default. So if show, then QRC dot show scale to scale, and if save, then we can show QRC dot png. In the name we can take it as an input. Please enter a name, and the scale we can give it as whatever the scale he had used. And now we are done with the QR code function. Let's try and create a QR. If D equal to C, then scale equal to int input scale, and data equal to input data, and save equal to input y to save and to discard, input y to show and to discard, and if save equal to if show equal to y, then show equal to true, else show equal to false. We are going to do the same thing with this too, but this time let's save. So now we are going to save equal to false, and now we are going to call our function create file name. So create like this, create QR scale data show save. And now let's try and run this. It should work. Okay, this is not the one we want. We are going to run the one which we created just now. Run Python file in terminal, and now no, this is not the one we created. It's running the wrong file. Okay, so it's imported a wrong thing from here. Now let's retry running this. So now we are going to type C, scale as 8, and the data is going to be subscribe to Robot Squad. You really should subscribe to Robot Squad. And Y to psq.png. And as we can see, our QR code has been successfully created. Now let's see whether it is the correct QR code we had wished to create. So now we are going to press R to read and sub to rbsq.png. As we can see, the data has come out correct. Subscribe to Robot Squad, the same one which we had put in before. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.